You have prey.
No, you're the only one.
Uh-oh. Waffles. Are you gonna share your prey with No. He's not gonna share his kill. Waffles. Ew, not in the litter box. Watch out, Jordan really wants your prey. Oh, someone's snipping my hair. Someone's messing with my hair.
Jared has you.
Who?
Jared.
Jared. Hi. Of course it's the orange one. You need a nail trim. Ow, you're gonna pierce my ears.
You need your hair trimmed.
Huh?
He's like, you need your hair trimmed.
Okay, I'll cut my hair. Look at all these little monsters. Ow. Jared, why are you doing? Ow, ow, ow. I'm glad you're having fun, but your claw's in my neck. Ow. Please, not near my eyes, okay? Ow, ow. Trying to make a video. Ow. Hi. What's he doing on top of my head? What is he doing? Oh, he's done. Oh, he's back for more.
Oh, he's so soft.
And his brother's biting my arm. Sir, why? 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 Why are you being so weird today? Oh, that's a dumb question, because you're orange. It's because you're orange. Capital O orange. Capital O orange. Oh, kids. Uh-oh, Hank wants some of that. Oh no.
Go get it.
You're a bunch of weirdos. You are a bunch of weirdos.
Oh.
Oh, go get it, Hank.
You're a maniac.
He's got to catch up on all the playing because he feels better. I know, you've been released from prison. What are you doing?
You're very patient. Very patient. You are.
Oh.
I want to take things. Oh, he's so strong. He's so strong.
Uh-oh.
I don't have it.
Uh-oh. Oh no.
Where'd it go?
Oh no. Hank has it.
Uh-oh.
It's Hank's now. Oh no, poor Waffles. Where did it go? Where's your toy? Where's your prey? Hi, Orange Man. There's Hank. Where's the prey? Where's the prey? Oh, no, that's not it. Where'd it go? Oh, there it is. Oh my goodness. Ah, oop, is it Gracie's turn? Is it Gracie's turn?
Over there. Go get it.
Waffles! You want your toy back? Oh yes. Who's gonna get it? Who's gonna steal it from me? Waffles! Oh. Hi. Did you just try to push something on my head, Orange Man?
Never. Ooh, scary.
My life flashed before my eyes. I saw something fell. I look up and there's an orange man above me.
Oh, Gracie.
Oh.
Spicy.
Don't take her carrot. Uh-oh, he didn't see it. Oh. Oh, somebody's after my hair again. Hello, Orange Man. Hi. Yes, I see. I see you. It's sniffing my eyeball. Mm-hmm. Oh, Hank. That's not nice. That's not nice, sir. Poor Hank. Just wanted cuddles. Ow. Two orange men. Little menace. Ah. Sir, no, no. Manners. Manners, sir. Look at these creatures. Go. Look at those tail. Look at that tail. Good boy, Hank. You gonna get it? Oh, you're gonna get it.